Alright, welcome back to part 2 of my Death Star build. So we have this part, and we have this part. So we're going to line them up here. Two halves, almost together, so now we get to start working on the outside of this thing. So we have to carve off the outside, polish that all up. We need to put the laser, the little smaller circle, as the top one. So it's gonna go like right here-ish. So I'm gonna cut a hole, make that piece, insert that, then polish up the outside, and then figure out some kind of a base. Alright, before we get in too far today, I did actually have to add an extra ring that was not originally on the plan. Just a wood ring, because as I was calculating everything, I did not take into consideration, as I split all of the layers, not only the blade width, but then all of the sanding to get down to smooth. And then there was 8 cuts total between the two halves. It was actually about ½ an inch short on the overall height of the sphere. So I had to add in that extra ½ an inch. Alright, before I completely ruin this project, let me explain what I got going on here. So, when I put the two edges together, there's a slight difference, the two edges, so I want to try and get rid of that. Well, I don't have a secure way to attach it, so what I did was I cut this down and fits inside the hole, curve this inside to kind of give it a tight seal, and tried to get this as close to run out as possible. So hopefully I don't completely make this thing explode. And if it does, hopefully I'll at least get it on camera. Yay! Well, this project is finally done after a couple months of work. So I've been thinking about this project for over a year. I think I designed it in like April. The first cuts I made were mid to middle of May. And then it was completed on August 2nd. So about 2 full months worth of work. But finally done. And gotta turn on the lights. It does look really cool at night though. So tag your friends, your family members in the comments, especially the big Star Wars fans like myself. If you think they'll like it, your little brothers, your daughters, your sons. Couple shout outs for the products. One to Crafted Elements for the resin molds. This came in real handy trying to make all of the segments. And then to Starbond, ended up going through like a bottle and a half of the medium, and then I think about quite a bit of the thicker stuff, and then a little bit of the brown. But this came in real big handy. So thank you so much for watching, especially if you've watched all the way through both videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit subscribe if you have not yet. Definitely hit the like button, and see you in the future for future projects.